Hearty welcome, Jaskaran.
Thank you so much.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good, good. ಈಗ Just Married ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ಟ್ರೈಲರ್? And please talk about ಇದು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
Hi everyone, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜಸ್ಕರಣ್ ಸಿಂಗ್. So first of all, I would like to thank Bobby ma'am, Ajnish sir, and to the whole team of ABPS production for giving me this opportunity. And this song, Idu Modalane Swagatana, is really close to my heart. And ये बहुत different genre का गाना जो मैंने अपने career में गाया. And I'm very happy to be a part of this. And I want to congratulate Ankita Amar ma'am and Shine Shetty sir for their first movie. And बाकी सारी टीम को भी मेरी तरफ से बहुत सारी मुबारक और शुभकामनाएं. And before singing Idu Modalane Swagatana, I just want to share a small story behind it. So one day I got a call from Bobby ma'am and she told me, Jaskaran, we have a song for you. And I said कि चलेगा, पर एक शर्त है कि जल्दी से एक डमी चाहिए उसका. So the same day I went to the studio and recorded the song, and I was just waiting for her response that how it went. And after half an hour she called me and she was really happy with the song. And after coming back to Bangalore, I finally recorded the song, and we are really getting a good response for the song. Thank you so much.
ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಜಸ್ಕರನ್ ಆ ಹಾಡು. And ಆ ಹಾಡನ್ನ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ 2 lines.
Sure. Yes. Track please.
Track ready.
ಸ್ವಾದಿಷ್ಟತೆಯ ಸ್ವಾದ, ತಾಜಾತನದ ಆಹ್ಲಾದ, ಉತ್ತಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕಾಂಶ ಶ್ರೀ ವೈದಿಕ್ ಮಿಲೆಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಸಿರಿಧಾನ್ಯಗಳ ಸಂಪತ್ತು.